Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome to another video. My name is Hussein and I'm here to share with you all the closing of the weekly review and also what have we actually achieved within this week. To share with you all, during our London session we have done tons of forecasts that was actually helping many of you how to take your positions accordingly. Secondly, I would like to give you updates on this week, that this week was more about, I would say that more about price action analysis instead of following up the fundamentals, because on the fundamental aspects we saw there was a great news on the Pfizer and also the COVID-19 vaccine, which shows promising results of up to 90% accuracy. Well, all of that news added, I would say, that confidence in the stock market, right? But then at the same time, the confidence actually fades away later on when they start to become a bit daunting that it may not be the one that they're looking for. However, beside that, as you see that we have got the fight between Donald Trump and Joe Biden, the presidential election uncertainty is still on, but it is decided that Joe Biden will be officially announced too as a elected president. Well, now, on the other hand, to give you a structure on the price action analysis, guys, as you see that we had a USD CAD forecast and hit all the TPs, right? And then we also had a forecast on Apple, as you could see here, from this retracement it actually rebounded up. Then on the other hand, we also had a forecast on GBP AUD, which actually fortunately it went up to our TP1, but then again it has started to actually take a little bit of a while before it could actually go up again. I see that next week it will be completing this pattern, because from now it is just waiting to spike up from this falling flag, and I would see that the direction is going to be here all the way to the upside. Okay, this is what I see on GBP AUD. Then on the other hand, for Euro USD, we have forecasted this pair to actually fall. It did go down about 30-40 pips according to our direction. It did not go exactly closer to our, I would say that our TP1, but it was pretty much according to the forecasted direction, because now is November. I believe that you're going to see the market to actually zigzag around a bit, because there will be less volatility coming in the coming days, but there will be still opportunities, I would say that. But I would see that overall, on a bigger note, I'm still looking for a downside on Euro USD. On the other hand, beside Euro USD, USD CAD, we also had a great trade just last night that was on GBP USD. For the GBP USD, let me just share with you. Yeah, we actually closed our trade already. And it was mentioned to book your profits earlier, because this is Friday. We're going to see some spikes going up and down. It was a great trade all the way down, right? 76, 70 to about 80 over pips. And other than that, on the stock market, Dow Jones Industrial Average, like I mentioned earlier, now it is in the midst of developing a new pattern, which will give us a clear direction in the upcoming days towards which direction would that be actually going. So here we are Dow 30, and we had an intraday setup on that posted the other day that it would be completing and reaching to this particular zone. Please refer to our previous videos. We did spoke about it, and actually it did happen. Now it's in the process of could be a pullback. I see that the Dow 30 will be making a pullback, and you see here, but overall it should be going up. See, for now I see that this could be a pullback before it could actually make its way back to the upside again. All right, anyways, we're looking for a great 2021 waiting for our way. I would see that the stock market will be recovering even better or even higher than where it is right now. All right, then on the other hand, S&P 500 did similarly like Dow 30. Well, anyways, we saw a major rally in Bitcoin as well. As you see that Bitcoin is gaining steam and momentum. I have forecasted this a couple of months ago, guys. Look at that, where we are. Right? For those who are really following us closely and regularly, they should be in the position of growing their accounts. And look at that, I spoke about it, right? And this is where it is, and I see that the future is looking bright for BTC, and you're going to see more bullish momentum on its way. Good time to invest. Get in right now before it is too late. Last but not the least, I would like to give you all an update, guys. As you see that for TeleTrade investment experts, they're having a promo going on as for now. Any amount that you deposit, it could be 500 minimum, up to your expected desired amounts, you will be given complimentary shares, right, depending on the amount of funds that you have deposited. And if let's say on the particular day when you execute the transaction, within 5 months, if the share values goes up, TeleTrade will credit the net profit to the investor account. However, if the shares prices falls and do not turn out to be as expectation, TeleTrade will compensate the investor for the loss at the own expense. That means you can trade with this money. You can go on trading as your plan. Your forex could be a stocks, could be a robotic trading, could be anything that you wish to go for. You can continuously do your trading activities, and this will be parked investment for you, whereby you will know the outcome in the end of March. All right, so you make great for you. Definitely, everybody loves profit, but if you lose, TeleTrade will not deduct any losses from your balance that you have deposited. Right, so that's just a quick update. Anyways, guys, it was a great week. Thanks for joining our webinars, and thanks for joining our London session forecast. I really hope it was productive for you. We always do our best to bring you the most and reliable trading opportunities, and we will be doing the same with you next week. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, take care, and I will see you guys next week. Take care and bye-bye.